Choosing the right resort room matters more than people realize. So let's take a real look at a standard room with a theme park view at Loews Sapphire Falls. I really like the clean, open layout of this room. It makes a difference when you're traveling with kids and juggling those park mornings. There's plenty of storage and counter space. Nothing flashy, but it's easy to settle in, which is something that I look for when I'm helping families plan longer stays. So I would recommend this room most often for families who plan to spend most of their time in the theme parks, but still want a calm, comfortable place to come back to. Now, the theme park view here gives you a distant look into the parks, and I actually think this is so fun for kids. It really made my kids get excited for the next day of our adventure. And so this is really more about experience than necessity, but it's always nice to have. If you're trying to decide between different resorts near Universal Orlando, this is exactly the kind of comparison I help families walk through so their trip feels smooth from start to finish.